njalo bazalwane uthi ufuna ukuba madi lo Jesu namandla amvusayo bakubafileyo ashare naye kuba sufferings lo Jesu mhlawumbe laye usengaphatheka ekuvukeni kuka Jesu. We cannot partake in his resurrection without going through bazalwane. I just want you to thank God for whatever you are going through today. I just want us to thank God. Jehovah muhle hebo shamakata labahanda. Jehovah muhle, it's a confirmation. We've just thanked through this point in uNkulunkulu BICC of what we are going through. We just want to thank God of what we are going through. Ngoba kufanele, hallelujah. We are supposed to go that. Jesus went through that. Hallelujah. Ukwenzela ubana lapho ke evuka that we are partaking of the resurrection power. uJesu uvukile namhlanje. Umami has declared ubana lathi sivuka laye. Hallelujah. Evuka uJesu wavuka lokunqoba. As I said akaphelelanga ekulengeni wafa esiphambanweni. Bamthatha Joseph of Arimathea wamncumba engcwabeni lakhe. Amen. He was buried. Hallelujah. And on a Saturday he descended. Wehla waya phansi eHades. Wehla waya phansi ehell. Hallelujah. Ngoba thina sasingakahlengwa. Wayefile kuphela esiphambanweni. Wayegowishile kuphela wafa. It was a process that was planned by the heavens, but it was wasn't yet over. Wengakawuphelelisa umsebenzi ayewulandile. Hallelujah. Umsebenzi ayewulandile owokuhlenga thina to free us, to reconcile us with our Father. Sasihambile sona through Adam lo Eve. Hallelujah. Sona thina through Adam lo Eve. Sasuka in his presence. Sasuka egadini yase Eden. uJehova edala umuntu wambeka engadini yase Eden. uAdam lo Eve babephila impilo emnandi. Babengahlatshwa ngameva, babengaguli, babengasweli, babengadingi isigqoko, babethola yonke into. Hallelujah. They were given the power and the dominion ukubusa kuleyo ngadi. Njengalokhu lathi wathi siyaphiwa amandla. Hallelujah. Through Christ. Hallelujah. Kodwa bathe sebesukile ebukhoneni bakhe, bathe sebedlile benza lokho kwathiwa bengakudli. When Eve was deceived by the snake and Adam rebelled against God, because Adam is the one who was given the command by God. It's not Eve. Even akaphiwanga. Hallelujah. But Adam uyakhuluma amanqama lo uNkulunkulu wamtshela ukuthi do not eat. And he rebelled, and therefore they were moved from his presence. But what does God say now? He comes here now. We know Jesus is God. He reconciles us. He gives us his only begotten Son. Hallelujah. Ubanas fell and we are taken back to where we're supposed to be, bazalwane. So Jesus, as he hung on the cross, as he was now dead, it was not yet over. Even when he was put in the grave, it was not yet over. On that Saturday, he went down, descended to the Hades, because tinabesloke singakabisele ebukhoneni buka Jehova, besloke singakahlengwa. Hallelujah. Why pants when the devil was celebrating? I always envision when I'm reading and thinking about this. Maybe in hell at that time, the devil was like what were they trying? Maybe they were celebrating with the demons. But how are we now in control of the humankind? I